Sunday, everybody, and welcome to another video on my channel. So this is going to be a vlog style video. I'm going to be doing all the regular things that I normally do as a woman. I take care of my house and home, my family, but I also have some time where I just spend with myself. I also take a bath, I try out new makeup, a bunch of good stuff, things that you guys already know I do, but I haven't really shown you in a vlog all the stuff that I normally do throughout the week. So that's what we're going to be doing here. And I hope you guys don't mind this different type of video. This is more of a vlog style. It's more of, you know, me just at home and doing what I do, but it's my real life. And this is what I spend a lot of time doing. And I just thought I would be a little bit more real with you guys. Some things just sort of stay there. I don't know. Like the flowers, the toys, there's nowhere else to put them. They're not really organized, but oh well. Shoes untied. Just short of a mile. I walked for 21 minutes and 50 seconds. Now, I probably only walked for about 17 minutes because I also spent a couple of minutes setting up the camera in order to film it. So that's fine. I'm just happy that I was able to get some cardio in today. Hey guys, welcome back to this video. When I edit this video, I'm gonna wish that I had made time to do more sit down. So my son is asleep finally and he's taking his morning nap, so I just need to talk to you guys. Like, I'm a makeup girl. I want to be wearing makeup right now. It is, what time is it? It's very early in the morning and I feel incredibly self-conscious about not having on makeup right now, and so I'm making excuses for myself. I needed to blow dry my hair because I guess when I was working out, like, a little bit of my hair got stuck in my shirt, and so it was like puffy from like sweat or whatever. But you know, the AMIKA blow dryer makes it really easy to just blow dry it really quick, so I thought I would do that. But even doing that, trying to get dressed, trying to blow dry my hair, changing my earrings and all that stuff, like I still feel so gross, but I just need to get over it because I have some good information, not just about makeup, but I also have some good information about skincare. So anyway, even though I didn't get the blemishes and the hyperpigmentation at the same time, they're fading at the same rate. I think it's because I've been putting this serum all over my face. And with this, honestly, you've got to use like sunscreen. It tells you AM and PM, use sunscreen. Too Faced Born This Way matte foundation because I'd never used it before and you guys said that you wanted me to use it, so I did that. That should be coming out also around this time. But I've been using the Rare Beauty Tinted Moisturizer a lot every day, and then also I've been using other sunscreen when I'm just like not outside. And I bought a bunch of sunscreens to try out for you guys. Even though I'm a makeup girl, makeup is not gonna, you know, look as best it can on your skin if you're not taking care of your skin. So I've got to take care of my skin a lot better. So recently, yeah, I've been using Rare Beauty, but that's also, I've been using it like as my foundation, you know. I did a Rare Beauty wear test. If you're interested in how the tinted moisturizer wears throughout the day, check out that wear test video. But recently I bought K Skin. This is by like a supermodel, I think. And then you've got Shiseido, which is like so old school that you probably trust it. I feel comfortable using both of these. Maybe I'll do them both today on both sides of my skin. Suncare Isle Glow Face Lotion SPF 45, you guys. Oh, I'm excited to use this. I also ordered some sunscreen from Nordstrom. I think it's the Supergoop Play. It glows. It does glow. Oh, I see it. I'm gonna put it just on this side. I feel like you might want to wear this like by itself. Oh, I feel glowy. And I don't think it's just like, oh, the product hasn't like soaken in yet. I feel like I'm glowy. Wow, there's a major difference. Okay, and then we're going to use the Shiseido on this side. This was not supposed to turn into this, but I just know that I need to wear sunscreen. Okay, so this says shake it up. Where there are two colors. So for this one, okay, Super Fair, which is fine. Let's just do, okay, it's more of like a liquidy texture, kind of like if you were to use it in a spray bottle. This one smells like sunscreen. The K Beauty didn't really smell much like sunscreen, but this does. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna look so different on both sides of my face. Both sides of my face look so different. So this one is pulling a little bit more pink, a little bit more white. This side is pulling sun-kissed. I feel like in order to wear this, I need to add sun-kissed. If you're watching this video and you're entering the giveaway, why don't you just write your handles for TikTok and Instagram down below so I can check you out.